Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the Firebase Z project and enabling auth, Firestore, and functions because those services drive authentication, storage, and server logic. Once done, install the Firebase CLI and run Firebase login, then Firebase init selecting functions and Firestore to scaffold files. Make sure your local node version matches the target runtime and place your service account JSON securely. This immediate work primes deployment, so you avoid later config drift and reduce permission errors during the deployment phase. You now implement the core of Firebase Z. Start by coding cloud functions with clear separation between HTTP endpoints and background triggers, because that clarifies testing and scaling. Then run the local emulator suite to validate behavior. Once passing, define Firestore security rules and required composite indexes, since incorrect rules break reads silently. Next, integrate auth, add email and OAuth providers, and wire token refresh and session handling, so clients maintain access without frequent relogin. This reduces friction. You finish by deploying progressively. Push to staging first and monitor build output for warnings. Once stage tests pass, deploy hosting, functions, and Firestore to production with Firebase. Deploy only hosting, functions, Firestore. After deployment, run integration tests and inspect logs in the Firebase console and Stackdriver to confirm behavior and performance. If something goes wrong, roll back a function version or redeploy a previous snapshot. This quick rollback tactic often resolves issues faster than chasing cascading failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.